Day 5. My shins look like I fought a lawnmower and lost. A weighted jump rope to the shin bone is a special kind of pain, and I've hit myself 47 times today. This is supposed to be cardio, not combat sports. Okay, here's what happened. Like you, like anyone who's focused on building strength, I hate cardio. My conditioning is embarrassing. I can do 18 pull-ups, but 5 minutes of cardio, I'm tapping out. So, I bought a jump rope. I heard it's what the pros use to never gas out. Looked easy enough in the videos. Oh, that's actually hard. This is 30 days of reality versus expectations. Day 1, jump 1, rope hits feet. Jump 2, rope hits feet. Jump 3, made it. And then jump 4, rope hits feet. I'm trying everything. Different timing, different heights. Nothing's working. The rope is too tight. I can't feel where it is. It's just hitting me constantly. After 10 minutes, I switched to the heavier 1B rope, and it actually helped. Heavier rope moves slower. I can feel it getting maybe 15 to 20 jumps now in a row. Okay, I'm feeling good about this. Let me try for 5 minutes continuous. 30 seconds. I lasted 30 seconds before my lungs filed for divorce. Day 2. Next day I woke up, something felt off. There's a hole in my chest. My lungs were gone. My lungs were like, I didn't sign up for this. I'm out. And I'm like, wait, no. And they just left. I died. Killed by a jump rope on day 1. Oh, you. It was only a dream. Holy, my lungs are still here for now. Anyway, calves sore. Expected. Ankles tender. Makes sense. But my shoulders are burning. Forearms tight. Upper back aching. I pull up yesterday's footage to see what I'm doing wrong. Oh no, I'm not using my wrists. I'm helicoptering my entire arms. My shoulders are doing all the work. Okay, new plan. Wrists move the rope, not the shoulders. Keep arms still. Just rotate at the wrists. Feels weird, but my shoulders aren't burning immediately. And I'm starting to feel a rhythm for 20 to 30 jumps. Even better, I can actually breathe now. Days 3 to 5. I figured out why I'm dying so fast. I'm jumping like I'm dunking a basketball, like 6 inches off the ground. Huge explosive jumps every single time. Why? When I mess up the timing, the rope whips my shins. Weighted rope to shin bone. Special kind of pain. So my genius brain decided jump higher to avoid it, which made everything worse. Burning through energy like crazy. You're supposed to barely leave the ground, just enough for the rope to pass, maybe an inch. I practice without the rope first. Tiny hops look ridiculous, but it clicks. Oh, and the shin problem. Partly rope length, too long and it bounces onto your shins. Right length, step on the middle, handles to the armpits. Bad news, the rope length can't be adjusted. Good news, I got a free exchange for the size I needed, locked in now. But it worked, way fewer shin casualties, and I can actually jump for more than 2 minutes without feeling like I'm dying. Days 6 to 8. By day 6, I'm hitting 40 to 50 jumps before tripping. Progress. Still tripping when I get tired though. So, I do what any confused person does. YouTube tutorials. I watch everything. Take notes. Learn all the proper form cues. Keep elbows at sides. Rotate wrists. Jump on balls of feet. Look forward. Breathe rhythmically. Engage core. Ah, great. Now I'm trying to think about 7 things at once while jumping. And here's the problem. The more I focus, the worse I get. Complete analysis paralysis. I'm standing there thinking about wrist position and I trip before I even start. But here's the weird thing. When I'm exhausted and my brain just shuts the hell up, I actually do better. Like my body figured it out and my brain is just getting in the way. Days 9 to 12. I'm done overthinking this. Time to just jump and see what happens. I'm warming up. Not thinking about anything, just bouncing. Then I realized, wait, I've been going on for over a minute, maybe 70 jumps. I didn't even notice. That's the first time I felt actual rhythm. Not forced, not manufactured, just flow. Over the next few days, it keeps happening. 30 seconds, 45 seconds, sometimes a full minute continuous. My breathing is steadier. My calves stop threatening to quit, and I'm starting to think maybe I'm not completely terrible at this. I mean, I'm not good, but I've graduated from embarrassingly bad to mediocre, which honestly feels like winning an Olympic gold medal. Right? Nober Burr? W. Days 13 to 17. I can jump 2 to 3 minutes on basic bounce, both feet together, feeling pretty good about myself. Then I see people online doing this running in play style, alternate feet. Looks smooth, looks easy, looks fun. It is none of those things. I can't get 10 jumps in. The rope is hitting my feet at weird angles. It feels like day 1 all over again. And that's a special kind of frustrating. And here's the weird part. On the rare occasion I do get a streak going, I start moving forward like the rope is pushing me across the room, and I don't want to stop because it took me 20 attempts to get this far. So, I just keep going. Even though I'm drifting, I spent days trying to crack this. I can't get more than 10 to 15 jumps before either hitting my feet or shuffling forward, like I'm trying to moonwalk but failing. Days 18 to 24. I'm scrolling through the CrossRop app looking for tips, and this tutorial guy says something that sounds completely insane. Stop looking at your feet. Stop looking at the rope. Look forward at the wall. Excuse me? What? How am I supposed to know when the rope is coming if I can't see it? But I'm desperate, so I try it. Feels like jumping blind. My brain is screaming at me that this is wrong, but I force myself to practice for 10 minutes straight, and slowly something clicks. I stop seeing the rope cross under my feet, but I can feel it when it passes. The rhythm stops being visual and becomes internal. And just like that, alternate feet start working. 20 to 30 jumps now, and I'm not traveling across the room anymore. Over the next few days, everything starts flowing. Basic bounce, I can go 5 or more minutes easy. Alternate feet getting smoother every session. I am the king of jump rope. I've mastered this. Days 25 to 30. I'm feeling untouchable. I'm absolutely going bananas with these jumps. Basic bounce, alternate feet. I've unlocked them both. What else can stop me? Nothing. So, I'm scrolling through the CrossRop app looking for something more fun, more challenging, and I find the advanced skills section. Double unders, alternate foot, ski jump, rope jump, jacks, scissors jump, cross feet, boxer step, twister jump, swing kick, high knee jump, high knee off step, mommy kick jump, crisscrosses. Wait, there's how many styles of jump rope? I picked double unders. Looks cool. Can't be that hard, right? 20 minutes, maybe 2 to 3 successful attempts out of 100. Man, this 30 days ago, I couldn't jump 10 times without tripping. Gassed out in 30 seconds. Now I can jump 10 minutes consecutively. Alternate feet for 2 to 3 minutes. My cardio is noticeably better. I've lost some weight, got more toned, but honestly, the biggest win is that it's actually fun. Way more fun than staring at a wall on a treadmill. And here's one thing about cardio for calisthenics. Better conditioning makes every workout better. You're not gassing out on your last set of pull-ups. You recover faster between exercises. Plus, ump rope is portable, just like calisthenics. Slide the rope into your bag, train anywhere. Good luck fitting a treadmill in your backpack. Now, about what I've been using this whole time, CrossRope. It's a weighted rope system with different weights you can swap out instantly. Here's why the different weights actually help me. Heavy rope, 1 lb, saved me day 1, move slower, helped me see timing. Way better for learning rhythm. The light rope about 1/4 pound. Once I had technique, this built speed and endurance. It's one I use most now. Could I have done this with a $5 rope from Amazon? Probably. Would I have stuck with it for 30 days? Honestly, no. Being able to switch weights kept it interesting. Made my progression feel real and tangible. They also have an app that takes the whole thing to another level. It's like putting your rope on steroids. The app tracks everything, your jumps, calories, and workout time. But here's what actually matters, 20% more calorie burn compared to training without the app. Access to over 2,500 guided workouts so you're never doing the same thing. Automatic tracking on all of your metrics. Community challenges to keep you accountable and an AI trainer that recommends workouts based on your goals and schedule. Is CrossRop necessary? No. A cheap rope might work out, but does it make the experience better if you're actually serious about this? Yeah, it does. 30 days ago, I thought jump rope was simple. Now I realize it's a training to that will humble you in ways you don't expect. Want to keep doing this? Yeah, best cardio I found that doesn't make me want to quit. Am I a master? Hell no. Still a beginner. But I can breathe now. I move better. My lungs stop threatening to leave. If you try this, you're going to suck at first. Trip constantly. Your shins will hurt and your ego will get checked. But around day 18, when you stop thinking and just jump, you'll feel it click. And that's worth the 17 days of suffering. Trust me. Comment below if you try this. I want to see you struggle, too.